Welcome back to the Daily Drives channel where innovation, sustainability, and creativity come together on 3 wheels, 4 wheels, or no wheels at all. If you're passionate about unique mobile living, handmade builds, and off-grid travel, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a story that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Today, we're diving into one of the most eye-catching and thought-provoking DIY builds of the year, the Wooden Camper Trike 2026. Imagine cruising through scenic routes on a vehicle that's part bike, part tiny home, and entirely handcrafted from wood. That's what this project is all about, a fully rideable, human-powered camper, made almost entirely from reclaimed and sustainably sourced timber, blending functionality with a stunning, almost storybook-like appearance. This isn't just a novelty, it's a fully livable, mobile shelter built onto a custom 3-wheeled trike frame. The creator, a solo builder with a passion for sustainable design, wanted to combine simplicity, mobility, and minimalism in one compact package. The wooden camper shell rests on the rear axle, built with a curved roofline, paneled with weather-treated cedar and pine, giving it that handcrafted, rustic charm. It's insulated with cork and wool, offering enough comfort for multi-day or even multi-week adventures. Inside, there's space to sleep, sit, store, and even cook. The builder has managed to fit in a convertible bed platform, built-in storage beneath the floorboards, a small slide-out table, and a compact kitchen shelf. Every detail has been carefully thought through to keep the weight down while maximizing usability. And it's all powered by the rider, with electric assist coming from a 500 watts hub motor mounted to the rear wheel. Solar panels on the roof charge a 12 volts battery system, providing power for interior lighting, device charging, and even a small ventilation fan. Despite its small footprint, the interior is cleverly laid out. There's a skylight carved into the wood roof with a sliding wooden shade. The walls feature fold-down hooks, shelves, and magnetic strips to hold utensils and gear. You'll also find a fold-out step that doubles as a mini porch, perfect for parking beside a riverbank or forest trail and taking in the view. What's incredible is how light the build is. Thanks to clever design and carefully chosen materials, it's heavy enough to stay stable on the road, but still nimble enough to ride comfortably with pedal assist. This trike isn't just for show, it's been tested on long-distance rides, including the 300-kilometer journey through mountain passes and rural landscapes. The builder documented it all, from breakdowns to breathtaking sunrises, showing how the Wooden Camper Trike is not just a concept but a real, usable lifestyle vehicle. The wood not only gives it warmth and personality but also turns it into a conversation starter. People stop in their tracks when they see it. They ask questions. They want to touch it. It connects people to the idea of slower travel, to building with your hands, and to choosing an alternative path. It's a response to the fast-paced, high-tech world we're living in. It invites us to slow down, to notice the materials we use, and to rethink what a home has to be. The Wooden Camper Trike 2026 isn't about speed or luxury. It's about freedom. It's about self-reliance, craftsmanship, and simplicity. And it's also about hope. The hope that we can live lighter on the earth, move with intention, and build things that tell a story. There's already talk of future upgrades for the next version, including rainwater collection, composting storage, and a lightweight, wood-burning stove for colder climates. The builder is also working on open-sourcing the plans so that others around the world can build their own wooden micro-camper trikes. That means this isn't just a one-off curiosity. It could be the start of a movement, a wooden, rideable, self-sufficient homes built for people who want to roam without leaving a trace. If this is the kind of innovation that inspires you, let us know in the comments. Would you take a journey in a wooden camper trike like this? Could you see yourself building one from scratch? We love hearing your thoughts, and your ideas often inspire future videos. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, share it with someone who dreams of the open road, and subscribe if you want more stories like this from the edge of design, travel, and creativity. New videos drop every week, featuring everything from off-grid cabins and rolling homes to mobile studios and one-of-a-kind builds you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, stay curious, ride slow, and build something that matters. We'll catch you in the next one.